This is today. Philip's back here for more ink. Um, let's see if the camera can actually pick up. The camera almost like purposely makes it too dark, but we did geometry in the gaps. Can you see? Can you turn a little bit that way? Fraction, yeah. There's more to. Yeah, you can see there more. So we got geometry. Remember last time we outlined that, and I said we're gonna keep that white, then we're gonna have geometry behind, then we do some shading. So this is that day when we outlined, had some shading, and then as you can see, we also shaded the peony. I was gonna say rose. So that is shaded with dark ink. So the lines are in black, and the shading will be in dark, just so it's like one tone lighter. And then inside that flower, I will do in black, which I did on other flower, but didn't do on this one. Maybe you can turn the back now. Yeah. So this was a final. I started from there, and then we went around. Here you can see. So I'm gonna black out more of these elements sometime in the future, but today I kind of want to do a lot everywhere, and then we kind of did that. So on this flower also, I did exactly the same shading on the outside with the dark ink, then the black inside, which naturally gonna go lighter, and then all this I will shade lighter in future. We can add more black elements into the mandala, but as you can see, it has healed pretty decent, really fine line, really detailed. All the small stuff is there. Maybe if you show the pigeon, this guy has healed pretty sound. So Philip was asking me in the morning what we're gonna do here, why it's so lighter. So basically, the plan is what I'm thinking we're gonna do here is pretty much what we did with the ornaments. When the ornaments are darker, they can slide underneath, and then whatever piece goes inside that, I can slide that right underneath the lighting, and then all in ties together. But yeah, that was number 2 on allegory ink. So kind of medium, I guess, medium ink, and then we packed that in that day. As you can see, it has healed, just solid, light and solid. Obviously, we still need to shade him, but you can see that all the smallest little lines stayed in, really nice. And then all the line work is done with dynamic triple black. As you can see, not shaved, anything is as it is. Yeah, that has stayed. And then lightning comes, splits in 2, and then one branch becomes the top line there, another one splits in there and then goes into the bottom there, which then becomes the water that splashes there, and then we can have more probably geometry. Yeah, just more to come. Ink wise, that ink I shaded there is exactly the same color as that. Philip just happens to be the blood type that goes red fast, dark, instant, but then it heals nice and soft. He's actually a soft guy. A little advertisement for him. But yeah, that's where we are. And then it's kind of like we just need more statistics now, see how this heals, and then we'll go from there. But so far, so cool. And then we still don't know what we're going to do behind the leg. I think when that corner there will be shaded in as well, that's going to give a darker look. That's probably what's missing now, is like down here. Then that will like separate that, plus, that's like the next. Yeah, there's still a lot to do.
Looking good.
So needle wise, I used 23 mag all here to shade. I used a liner, which I can't remember. I think it was a 7 liner, but a lot of lines I double lined them, just because when it's busy, I didn't want to have too much ink leaking all over the place. So I kind of just put line next to line to make them thicker, and obviously black ink. And here you can see those two are black. Then I was shading afterwards, so these became the 2, as in the Allegory Grey Wash 2, which is that bottle there. And then these are the dark shadings that I did the last. And then yeah, the machine and cartridges and all that stuff. Take care.
Thanks, buddy.
And that's the pattern we're doing. So I'm probably gonna save this for the future, so we don't need to reprint them. But yeah, that's today's job.